Hi everyone! So today I was working in my studio and I was just playing around with the gouache brushes by the Pigeonletters, and I created a crazy smoking hot hunk, and I will introduce you to him. Let's see. Yay, there he is! Is the hot hunk? So I think I'm going to write underneath it like smoking hot. So I've got the Pigeonletters brush pen. It's very smooth, very easily writing, so I'm going to write smoking hot. No, ain't that funny? I think he's funny. Maybe a little bit more like here. And let's create a duplicate of that one and change the opacity to about halfway, and going to move the lower layer a little bit to this side because the sun is coming from there. We can obviously see it, and if he has a shadow, we are going to have a shadow too. And his shadow is purple, so my shadow must be the same color. So select and fill layer. And then I can bump up the color. So it's having the same color as shadow as my pepper is having, but I think it's too much near the black, so I'm going to reduce the opacity a little bit. So I think now it's funny. So hope you like this small tutorial. So see you next time. Bye.